Here's how to use LokLok on iPhone. First thing that you need to do is click on the LokLok application, and then afterwards, you will be needing to choose if you are going to explore the LokLok itself or play an IPTV player. So let's say, for example, we are going to explore first. It is normal to have ads when you are not going to avail a premium account. Now to explore or use LokLok to your iPhone, click on the app, and now you can just go ahead and search for popular movies or popular TV shows that you can watch. So let's say, for example, we are going to watch Stranger Things. As you can see, all the seasons are there already. So let's say we are going to watch the season 1. So the first thing that you need to do is just go ahead and choose the episode that you'd like to watch. And then afterwards, you can now go ahead and enjoy watching it to the LokLok account. Also, there is a watch list options where you can enjoy and watch it for later.